I have an electric egg spinner. When I opened the package, they gave me the adapter. Oops. There it is. The golden egg shaker. Let's put it that way. And then my European charger. Looks good. Cycle that. Let's see, the directions say common problems. And that's it. You just pop an egg in, plug it in. Guess I got to do a video on how to spin an egg. Definitely makes life easier when you got to take the yolk and the egg whites out of the inside of the eggshell. I have the electric golden egg shaker. It's a spinner and mine's black. I put the tape on so I always know where to stick it back together. This is what the inside looks like. You have to take off the top. And you want to put the egg in pointy side up. Make sure it's closed. There's sticky feet on the bottom. Lock it. Plug it in. Blinking red light. Press the button. If it shakes violently, stop it and reposition the egg. Alright, wait for it. When it stops shaking, unplug it. Unscrew. And pop off the top. This makes the egg so much easier to get out of the shell. And it increases the amount of egg shells that you'll be able to produce, because big problem, a lot of them break. Definitely want one of these. And if you can't get this, there's one that's mechanical. You pull on a cord and it spins it. So